Explore the towering giants of the IC industry, Intel, AMD, and Nvidia. As we immerse ourselves in the convoluted world of stock prices, the narrative that emerges is captivating. Nvidia's stock price has not just skyrocketed, but has made a phenomenal stride, growing nearly 20-fold from $59 in January 2020 to an astounding $904 in March 2024. This meteoric rise can be attributed to several significant factors. The company's strategic investments in AI and deep learning technology, coupled with their foothold in the gaming industry, have propelled its growth. Furthermore, Nvidia's robust partnerships with esteemed automotive brands for their autonomous vehicle chips have also played a vital role in this price surge. AMD, on the other hand, has also witnessed commendable growth, multiplying approximately 3.7 times from $48.60 in 2000 to a hearty $179.73 today. Intel, in contrast, narrates a different tale, with its stock price descending from $60.10 to $42.20. What triggered Intel's downward stride while Nvidia shot up like a comet? The answer is encapsulated in two revolutionary technological shifts: artificial intelligence and Bitcoin. The implications of these developments aren't just they've recalibrated the entire IC industry. To start with, artificial intelligence has become a key player in the technological landscape. As a result, there's a growing demand for high-performance ICs capable of supporting AI algorithms. Nvidia, with its superior GPU technology, an advantage and was able to capitalize on this colossal shift. As for Bitcoin, it's not just a digital currency anymore. The underlying technology, blockchain, has computational requirements which spurred the need for advanced, highly efficient ICs. Nvidia, again, was equipped to meet this demand. It's not that Intel is slacking off, far from it. Intel continues to stand as a pillar of IC technology worldwide. The crux of the matter is the fundamental shift in the operating structure of the chips, driven by the demands of artificial intelligence and Bitcoin. Intel and AMD are mainly concentrated on the design and production of central processing units, CPUs, whereas Nvidia's core emphasis is on graphics processing units, GPUs. These two types of processors perform fundamentally different tasks and are optimized for different purposes. A CPU, the brain of a computer, carries out most of the processing inside computers. On the other hand, a GPU has thousands of cores designed for parallel processing, optimized for taking huge blocks of data and performing the same operation over and over, making it perfect for graphics rendering. Distinction between CPUs and GPUs becomes evident when looking at the different ways Intel, AMD, and Nvidia have evolved. Intel's growth has been largely due to their CISC-type CPUs, which are adept at handling complex calculations with their 2 to 8 extremely rapid cores. AMD has seen success with RISC-type CPUs, which employ a different architecture. Nvidia's commitment to GPU technology has given them a distinct advantage. GPUs have become critical in tasks that require the rendering of high-definition images and videos, as well as in the burgeoning field of machine learning and artificial intelligence, where their parallel processing capabilities far outstrip those of a traditional CPU. This focus has allowed Nvidia to dominate a niche in the market, and their GPUs are now integral to a variety of high-demand, cutting-edge applications. Nevertheless, when we talk about artificial intelligence and Bitcoin, they don't necessitate such intricate computations. Instead, they demand the processing of colossal volumes of data, a challenge that GPUs are more than capable of handling. This is due to their design, which incorporates thousands of integrated circuits, ICs, that perform calculations concurrently. Unlike CPUs, which consist of few cores optimized for sequential serial processing, GPUs are built with hundreds of cores that are well suited for handling multiple tasks simultaneously. This makes them highly efficient at analyzing and processing an avalanche of data without any hitches, be it for deep learning algorithms of artificial intelligence or for the data-intensive process of Bitcoin mining. Further to this, GPUs can carry out a vast number of computations concurrently, significantly reducing the time needed to process complex algorithms associated with artificial intelligence and Bitcoin. In this data-driven era, where the sheer volume of calculations is critical, GPUs clearly stand out as the indisputable champions. Their unmatched parallel computing power and flexibility put them head and shoulders above traditional CPUs. making them the logical choice for handling the colossal data processing demands of artificial intelligence and Bitcoin. In the domain of Bitcoin mining or AI technology, AMD has a significant advantage over Intel. This is primarily due to AMD's innovative use of reduced instructions. These reduced instructions are a key feature in AMD's chip design, as they allow the chips to operate using minimal instructions. In essence, instead of processing complex and large commands, these chips can break down tasks into simpler, smaller instructions. This not only enhances the chip's performance by boosting its speed and processing power, but it also improves efficiency as it requires less energy to execute these instructions. As a result, AMD chips are able to perform high-intensity tasks like Bitcoin mining and AI computations more effectively and efficiently, giving AMD a distinct edge in these fields. Thus, the advancement of the integrated circuit (IC) industry should be anticipated. The future of stock prices, akin to the present, is largely dictated by the technological trends. If you grasp these trends, you can anticipate the path of these stock prices. So, keep your focus on the landscape and witness the impact of the future on the IC industry.